Hello everyone, welcome to KS Math Academy. In this session, you will learn the very most important questions from the chapter probability. First question, all jack, queen and queens are removed from a pack of 52 playing cards. The remaining cards are well shuffled and then a card is drawn at random from these remaining cards. Find the probability that this card is a black face card, red card, black ace card. So we know very well the total number of cards here is 52. So here look at your data. So total number of in a deck it is 52, but here jack, queen and king are removed from the pack. So here now our total will become 52 minus 12. So now our total will be equal to 52 minus 12, which is equal to 40. And for the first subdivision, the probability of black face card. So the favorable count will be is equal to 0 because there is no black card. Because look at here. So all the king, queen, jack, everything will be removed from the deck. So black face card will be equal to 0. So 0 divided by total is 0. And for the second subdivision, probability of red card. So probability of red card in the sense, the total number of red card is 26. Here, the face cards are removed. So 26 minus 6, which is equal to 20. And your total is 40. So our answer is 1 by 2. And for third subdivision, black ace card. So how many black ace cards are available? Only 2. So 2 divided by 40, which is equal to 1 by 20. Two dice are thrown at the same time. Determine the probability that the difference of the numbers on the two die is 2. So our n of s will be equal to 36 now. What are all the favorable outcomes? So favorable outcomes will be equal to, so from the difference of the numbers on the two die is 2. So you can go row by row. In the first row 1, 3 and 2, 4, 3, 1 and 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6, 5, 3 and 6, 4. So these are all the combinations to get the difference is equal to 2 on the die face. So here this is equal to total is 8. So the probability of, what is the question? The difference of the number on the two die is 0. So difference will be equal to 2. So here 8 divided by 36, reduce your data. So 2 divided by 9. Two dice are rolled together. Find the probability of getting first subdivision multiple of 2 on one and multiple of 3 on the other die. So here it is not specifically given on the first die or second die, one and the other. That is the case. So for the first subdivision, here the two dice are rolled. So n of s is equal to 36. And for the first subdivision, what are all the favorable outcomes? So here the favorable outcomes are 2, 3 and 2, 6. In the third row, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6. And for the fourth row, 4, 3, 4, 6. And for the fifth row, there is no data. And in the sixth row, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4 and 6, 6. So total number of data, favorable outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 11 here. So the probability is equal to, so probability of the data, what is our data? Multiple of 2 on 1. So multiple of 2 on 1 and multiple of 3 on other, which is equal to the 11 divided by 36. There is no possibility of reduction over here, so you can write your answer as it is. Second one, the product of two numbers on the top of the two die is a perfect square number. So what are all the data? Favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes are, so look at your data. So 1, 1 and 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 1, 4 and 4, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. So number of favorable outcomes are 8 here. So the probability value is 8 divided by 36. So probability of getting product as perfect square. So 8 divided by 36. And while reducing, this will be 2 divided by 9. What is the probability that a non-leap year has 53 Sundays? So for the non-leap year, total number of days is 365 days. And that is nothing but 52 weeks plus 1 day. 1 day can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So how many Sundays they are asking? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 option. So here it is equal to only one Sunday. So the probability of 53 Sundays, which is equal to 1 by 7. What is the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays? For leap year, the total number of days are 366. So that is 52 weeks plus 2 days. The 2 days can be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. So now we are asking about the Sunday. So 2 possibility out of 7. So the probability of 53 Sundays is equal to 2 divided by 7. The probability of guessing the correct answer of a certain test question is x by 12 if the probability of not guessing the correct answer is 6 by 5. So here it is not. Then find the value of x. So we know the probability of E plus probability of E dash is equal to 1. So here the correct answer is x by 12 and the not guessing the correct answer is 5 by 6. So that is equal to 1. So take LCM over here. So x plus here it is 10 which is equal to 1. Do your cross multiplication. So x plus 10 is equal to 12. So x is equal to 2. So this is our answer. 3 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 tails, at least 1 head, at most 2 heads. So here it is 3 unbiased coins. So the sample space we are having, this is our sample space. So n of s is equal to 8. So for the first subdivision, exactly 2 tails. So favorable outcomes are, what are the favorable outcomes here? So HTT, THT and TTH. So exactly 2 tails here we are asking. So a number of favorable outcome is equal to 3. So here the probability value is 3 divided by the total value x. So total value is 8 here. So number of favorable outcome here is 3 and the probability of exactly 2 tails which is equal to 3 divided by 8. And for the second subdivision, our second subdivision is at least 1 head. So first write your favorable outcome. At least 1 head. Favorable outcomes are, so here first at least, here it is at least 1 head. At least in the sense minimum. So minimum 1 head. 1 head, 2 head and 3 head. So first write your 1 head combination. So 2 THT, TTH, HTT and then 2 head combination THH, HTH and HHT and 3 head combination HHH. So number of favorable outcomes is 7 over here. So number of favorable outcome is 7. So now the probability of at least 1 head which is equal to 7 divided by 8. And for the third subdivision, here it is at most 2 heads. At most in the sense maximum value. So at most 2 head we have to find. So maximum value is 2 head. Then minimum is 0 here. So T 0 heads and 1 head combination. And then 2 head combination. So this is our data. Again it is 7. So the probability of at most 1 head is equal to 7 divided by 8. Sorry, at most 2 heads. All face cards of spades are removed from a pack of 52 cards and the remaining is shuffled well. A card is then drawn at random from the remaining pack. Find the probability of getting a face card, ace or a jack. So for the first subdivision, so first you find your total value. So 52, the face cards of the spades are removed. So only 3 face cards. So now our total becomes 49. For the first subdivision, probability of face card. So out of 12 face cards, 3 face cards are removed. So now it is 9 over 49. So there is no reduction possibility here. And for the second subdivision, probability of an ace or a jack. So here R is given. So you have to add your probability value. So now what is your ace value? How many ace we are having? The total is 49 here. 4 ace we are having and jack. Already the spade from the spade category it is removed. So only 3. So 7 divided by 49. If we reduce our answer, then our answer is 1 by 7. If 65% of the population has black eyes, 65% and 25% have brown eyes and the remaining have blue eyes. What is the probability that a person selected at random has blue eyes? Second subdivision, brown or black eyes. So first, probability of black eyes, the given data. So this is 65%, so 65 over 100. And for the probability of brown eyes, this is 25%, so 25 by 100. So these two are our given data. Now we have to find our probability of blue eyes. So probability of blue eyes is equal to the total probability is 1 minus of 65 by 100 plus 25 by 100. Now 65 plus 25 is equal to 90. So 1 minus 90 by 100, which is equal to 10 divided by 100. So this is the probability, 10% blue eyes. So this is our subdivision A. And for subdivision B, probability of brown or black eyes. So here R is given. The total is 100. So brown eyes is 25%. So 25 and black is 65. So this is 25 plus 65 is 90. So 90 over 100. So reduce your answer 9 by 10. Here also you can reduce your answer 1 by 10. Two friends, Anil and Ashraf, were born in the month of December in the year 2010. Find the probability that they share the same date of birth, different date of birth. So this is December month in the year 2010. So for December month, we know the total number of days, 31 days. And for the first subdivision probability, they share the same date of birth. That is only 1 day is possible out of 31 days. And for different date of birth, so 1 minus 1 by 31. So 30 divided by 31. The number of red balls in a bag is 3 more than the number of black balls. If the probability of drawing a red ball at random from the given bag is 12 divided by 23. It is given. Find the total number of balls in the given bag. So let us assume the number of black balls. Number of black balls will be equal to x. And then number of red balls. So according to the condition, it is 3 more than. So x plus 3. Now the total number of balls. So number of black ball plus number of red ball. So 2x plus 3. This is our total. So based on the condition given in the question, the probability of drawing a red ball, the number of red ball is x by 3. So that is our favorable content. And our total is 2x plus 3. So what is our data given in the question? The probability value is 12 divided by 23. So you can equate this value with 12 divided by 23. Do your, 12 divided by 23. So do your cross multiplication and solve for your x. So 23x plus 69, 24x plus 36. So x is equal to 33. What is our x according to our convention? Number of black balls. Our question is total number of balls. Total number of balls is 2x plus 3. So you have to supply your value of x in the total number of balls. So total number of balls 2x plus 3. So that is equal to 69. A bag contains cards which are numbered from 5 to 100 such that each card bears a different number. A card is drawn at random. Find the probability that number on the card is a perfect square number. So for the first subdivision, so here before proceeding, you have to calculate the total number. So total number of cards. Total number of cards is equal to 96 because we have only from 5 to 100. So total is 96. So for the perfect square number, first find your favorable outcome. So here 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. So the number of favorable outcome is equal to 8 here. So probability of perfect square is equal to 8 divided by 96. On reduction, this is 1 by 12. And second subdivision is 2-digit number. So for 2-digit number, so here the 2 digit starts at 10 to 99 here. So the total number of 2-digit number is 90. So probability of 2-digit number 90 over 96. On reduction 15 over 60. A piggy bank contains 50 1 rupee coin, 100 2 rupee coin and 155 rupee coin. If it is equally likely, any one of the coin will fall out when the bank is turned upside down. Find the probability that 2 rupee coin has not fallen out when the bank is turned upside down. So total number of 2 rupee coin, total number of 2 rupee coin is here 100 and total number of coins, all the coins together, which is equal to 50 plus 100 plus 150. So that is equal to 300. So what is our question? The coin 2 has not fallen out. So probability of not getting rupees 2. Then either it can be 1 rupee coin or 5 rupee coin. So 50 plus 150, 200 divided by 300. So our answer is 2 by 3. A die is thrown twice. So our N of S value will be equal to 36. Find the probability that 5 will come up at least once. So minimum one time. So in the throwing 2 dice, there is a possibility of getting number 5 either one time or 2 time. So what is our favorable outcome now? So favorable outcomes are first row 1, 5 and second row 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5 and in the fifth row 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 2 times the 5 will turn up and 5, 6 and in the sixth row 6, 5. So totally the number of favorable outcomes are 11. So now the probability of 5 will come at least once. So 11 over 36. A lot consists of 200 pens which are 180 are good and the rest are defective. A customer will buy a pen if it is not defective. Shopkeeper draws a pen at random and gives it to the customer. What is the probability the customer will not buy it? This is one part. And then second part is another lot of 100 pens containing 80 good pens is mixed with the previous lot of 200 pens. The shopkeeper now draws one pen at a random from the entire lot and give it to the customer. What is the probability the customer will buy the pen? So what is our total now? So total now initially the total number of pens is 200 and out of that the number of good pens are 180 and defective pens are 200 minus 180 so 20. The customer will not buy. So the first part question is the probability that the customer will not buy. The customer will not buy in the sense the number of probability of getting a defective pen. So probability of customer will not buy. That is 20 is defective. The total is 200. So on reduction this is 1 by 10. And now so after that what is happening? So it is mixed with another lot of pen. So here now new total is initially we have 200. Now 100 pens are added. So good 300. Now new total of good pens. Initially it is 180. Now it is 80. So this is 260. So in the question is what is the probability that the customer will buy the pen? Buy the pen in the sense it should be in the good condition. So probability of the customer will buy the pen. That is 260 over 300. On reduction the value is 13 over 15. A game of chance consists of spinning wheel which comes to the rest at one number out of 1 to 10 as shown in the figure with equal probability. What is the probability? So here the totally 10 numbers and for the first subdivision we have here look at your data the prime number greater than 2 for the first subdivision. So probability of prime number greater than 2. So what are all the data over here? 3, 5, 7, only 3 data. So 3 over 10. And for the second subdivision, probability of odd number lesser than 9. So odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, only 4 numbers. So 4 over 10. On reduction, this is 2 by 5. And for the third subdivision, multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 in the sense, we have only 2 data, 4 and 8. So multiple of 4. So 2 divided by 10 which is equal to 1 by 5. A coin is dropped at random on the rectangular region as shown in the figure. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with radius of 0.7 meter? So this is our favorable area. So now we have to calculate the area of the circle. So area of the circle is pi r square. Radius is given as 0.7. So pi is 22 by 7 and 0.7 can be written as 10 by 7 pi r square. So on reduction it is 77 divided by 50. Here it is meter, so meter square. The total area is area of the rectangle. So 3 by 2. So area of rectangle 3 cross 2, so 6 meters square. And the favorable, so the probability that it will land inside the circle. So probability of coin land inside the circle. So favorable is 77 divided by 50 and our total is 6. So you can go with reciprocal with multiplication. So in the denominator 6 can be written as 1 by 6. So on reduction this is 77 divided by 300. So this is our final answer. A bag contains 40 marbles, out of which some are white and others are black. So we don't know the count of white and black. If the probability of drawing a black marble is 3 by 5, find the number of white marbles. So here it is given total is 40 and we don't know the count of black marble. So let us assume the number of black marble is equal to x or n. Number of black marbles is equal to n. And here it is given the probability of black marbles, which is equal to n divided by the total is 40 and it is given as 3 by 5. So equate your data so that you can find your answer. So do your cross multiplication. So n by 40 is equal to 3 by 5. So do your cross multiplication. From here n is equal to 3 into 40 divided by 5. So n is 24 here. What is our n? N is number of black marble. But we are asked to find out the number of white marbles. So number of white marbles is equal to total 40 minus black marbles. So that is equal to 16 now. A bag contains 6 red, 4 black and some white balls. We don't know the count. Find the number of white balls in the bag if the probability of drawing a white ball is 1 by 3. So now the total our red ball is 6 and black ball is 4 and our white ball we don't know the value, so let us take x. So now the total will be 6 plus 4 plus x, so 10 plus x. So the probability of drawing the white ball. So probability of drawing white ball, which is equal to the number of white ball is x and our total is 10 plus x. And that is given as 1 by 3. Equate your data. So now do your cross multiplication. So 3x is equal to 10 plus x. So 2x 10. So x is equal to 5. So x is nothing but our white. So we know now our red is equal to 6. Black is 4 and our white is, we have identified the white is 5 in count. Now what is our second subdivision? How many red balls should be removed from the bag for the probability of drawing a white ball to be 1 by 2. So you have to remove certain number of red balls from the bag. So we don't know the count. So let us take y number of balls will be removed. So let us assume y number of red balls be removed. So already we have 6. So now our total count in red color ball is number of red color ball. Number of red balls is equal to, now the total red color total is already 6 and y is removed. So 6 minus y. So probability of white is 5 and our total value is for the red it is 6 minus y plus 4 plus 5. So this is, so if I, and this will be equal to 1 by 2, it is given in the problem. So you can equate your value. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Now, okay. So now 5 divided by, so 5 divided by 15 minus y is equal to 1 by 2. So do your cross multiplication. So 15 minus y is equal to 10. So from here you can find your y value as 5. So y is nothing but the number of balls, red color balls removed from the bag. So you have to declare your answer properly. So 5 number of red color balls. 5 red balls to be removed to get the probability to get the probability of white is equal to 1 by 2. Meet you in the next video. Bye.